We are getting really close. Close to what, you ask? Well, Samsung's next Unpacked event, and we pretty much know what to expect, right? Guess the company will announce the Galaxy S25, the S25 Plus, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra. So basically, we are looking forward to 3 devices, right? But Samsung recently released this official poster of the flagship smartphones, and why does this leaked Unpacked poster show 4 devices? Samsung set its next Unpacked event to take place in January, and we are all excited to see what the company has to offer. Rumors point to it happening on January 22, so we only have just a month to wait. Anyway, the real question here is that there are 4 phones on the photo. This threw us for a loop as we expect it to be graced by 3 phones only, so basically it's tough to tell what the 4th phone will be. Well, rumors suggested that Samsung will launch a Galaxy S25 slim version, but reports point to that phone launching sometime in the spring because announcing it in January doesn't seem sensible. While unlikely, Samsung might give us an early sneak peek of this phone. It wouldn't be any other handset because the Galaxy S24 FE and the Galaxy A55 already hit the market, and we shouldn't count on any foldable devices. So this could be our very first look at the Samsung's slim handset. Anyway, in a recent leak, the Samsung's Galaxy S25 Plus has appeared in hands-on photos. The leak shows us the design of this new device, which hasn't changed much since the last model. As we approach to the launch of the Samsung next generation Galaxy phones, it's only natural that we'll hear more and more about them. Now, thanks to a photo leak, we can take a good look at the S25 Plus. The hands-on photo of this phone come from X. These images look legitimate, with various protections on the devices common with pre-release samples. That includes tape over the cameras to stop the owner of the device taking images and sharing them with all of the device information attached. Back to the device itself, this appears to be the US version of the handset. Thanks to the wave antenna that's under the volume and the power button on the right hand side. At the first claim, well, it looks interestingly like the iPhone 16's camera control, as does the squared frame and overall finish. Otherwise, this phone isn't too different to the previous generation of the Galaxy S handset, which is exactly what we expected. There is one major difference only, which is bezels of the smartphone, which are much thinner than the previous handset. Other than that, everything looks pretty much the same. So what do you think about it? Well, let me know in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.